You're making my plastic. You stay over here. I don't trust the cat spider. Watch TV with me, Chewy. There you go. Watch television with me. So I'm gonna go over there. This guy, he has wanted to be out every single day of the week. For the past 3 weeks, he's driving me nuts. Look how big you are. Wait till everybody sees you outdoors this spring. They're gonna have a heart attack. They're gonna have a heart attack when they see how massive you are. Now this is a coastal carpet python for you. Oh, it's a TV playing in the background. How's this for a coastal carpet python? A male too, nonetheless. You'd say go back in the tote? Well, I guess that's okay. That's what you want to do. I don't have the flash on. That thing's so bright. Oh, there you are. You came back out. You tricked me. You tricked me. Yeah, you did. You're my best friend. You gonna go say hi to Dennis? So no. You see the cats over there, Dennis? I'm gonna be sure they don't come over here and pop at him. Okay. You're gonna flip your tote, wacko. Oh, Chewy. You monster snake. You are seriously a monster snake. Where's your head at? You're taking everything with you. Hey, you. What are you doing? This is as candid as you get. A nice guy go harass Belle. It never fails. Every time I bring him out. Right to Belle. Will you leave that girl alone? She's too young for you. Yeah, look. Right back to Belle every time I bring him out. She's not your type. She's a ball python. She is a python, but she's a ball python. She's way too little for you. You got your whole fat butt up on that lip of this tote, and it's breaking my leg trying to keep you from falling over. Jesus. Will you leave Belle alone? You're a pain in the butt. Sorry, this is such a busy video. I haven't made one of him in a while, and people have been asking about him. He's doing great. Looking for a girlfriend. Ready to go outdoors. No, you're not getting into my stuff over there. You go back this way. You're making this tote really heavy. Let's put your big butt back in there. Thank you. This is how your snakes act when they're social animals and they're used to being out all the time. Oh, here we go. Back to Belle again. Come on, Chewy. Leave Belle alone. You're going to get poor snake a coronary. Why are you bothering Belle? Huh? No! No! Not on top of Belle's house. You'll collapse the whole top on that. Chewy. I said no. About due to pop out again. Oh, here we go. Back to the front. Go see Dennis. Go visit Dennis over there. Go see Dennis. You forget my coffee with my vanilla creamer in it. You're not getting my coffee. It's not happening. No. Oh, give me kisses. All he's got to do is see a camera out and he comes right to it. I wish I had your stamina tonight. I worked all day out in the yard and around the house, and I take you out, and now you're up and going, and I'm ready to go to bed. I wore myself out, and now you're going to wear me out some more. You're such a good boy. You're a good boy, but you need to quit harassing Belle. Here we go again. I told you no. I said no. You leave Belle right alone. No. What did I say? I said no. Leave Belle alone. Oh. You're so spoiled rotten. Yes, you are. I like that snake. That's a pretty girl. She's so little. Look at her compared to you, Chewy. What would you do with her if you had her? Squashed her? Belle's resting. You need to quit harassing her. Oh. He is my best friend. He's not going to be if he keeps trying to get on top of her house. What did I tell you? I said no. You know what no means. Hey, I said no. Nose taps. Nose tap means back up, pal. What'd I say? Told you no. Quit harassing Belle. Oh, you're gonna come soft soak me now? That's not gonna work. These guys know how to play on your feelings. They really do. Make you feel guilty if you won't let them get away with something. Well, now which way you going? Which way you going now? Huh? Back over here? Gonna try a different route? You gonna try a different route? You forget my coffee. You can't have my vanilla creamer. No, you can't. Here, get on my knee and watch television. Quit roaming around. You're driving me crazy. Good movie on, Chewy. It's called Legion. Watch it. I wish it was that simple. He is my best friend, though. I love spending time with him. Oh, here we go. Time to tip the toad over, huh? He kills me how he runs the whole edge of that thing, so it's all I can do to keep him from flipping it. Huh? He's usually watching TV with me. Tonight he's on the go. Let's turn it one more time. That way it's easier to spin you. There you go. You pain in the butt? Aren't you tired? Sit down. Rest. Leave Belle alone. I'm going to put your top back on. You don't quit harassing Belle. He's going to go right back. He has such a thing for Belle. Oh my God. Will you leave Belle alone? There are no girlfriends here for you. It's too early to be breeding. Chill. What'd I tell you? Huh? What'd I tell you? I said no. No. You got a runny nose from roaming around so much. I got my window open over here. Cracked open. Oh, God. Chewy monster. There, you get back. I'm gonna put your top back on. Wiggle worm. I said go watch television for a while. A good movie. Go watch it. You can't sit still to save your life tonight, can you? Just give me a 20-minute break. That's all I ask for. And you forget my coffee. I told you you can't have my coffee. You can't have my vanilla creamer. No, you can't. I know what you're after. You can have my vanilla creamer. No, you can't. You gotta try every way you can to get over here to my coffee.